What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl, Miss Geminii Talks. I'm so pretty. It's going down like a basement. Oh, I mean, like and subscribe to my channel. That's what I meant to say. Let me go down and grab this right here. Today, I got some hair in a box for y'all I'm going to show you. Look at this clear bag hair. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, lace front. Ooh. I'm so pretty. I'm going to be so pretty with this. I'm going to be balling. I got my two little short braids in right now. I'm about to have that long curly stuff in. Look at this. Let me see. Let me learn how to open this package right quick. What do we got going on? Ooh, ooh, this is hard. Ooh, this is hard to do. Oh, oh. Ooh, yay. Ooh, look, hair. Oh, let me rip this piece off. I'm going to show y'all something. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. That's that girl. I'm going to have hair like that girl. My hair and that girl hair going to be the same hair. And that's how it's going to look. Okay, let me look down. Let me see what we got. Let me just rip this out the package. Oh, that's what white people's scalp looks like. That's right in the middle there. Yep. Let me take this out. Ooh, let me brush it. This is like my little black Barbie doll hair. Let me play with this. Yeah, you see, I'm going to have to cut all that mess off because we don't want people to see my lace over there. You could also flip it inside out and wear it like a do-rag with hair. And it's got these little parts that you could use to stab your enemies if you get in a fight. So that helps make this definitely more aerodynamic for battle and ready to go. Now I'm going to flip it back. Yeah, see, I'm going to just clamp that like that. Let me see. Ooh, let me brush it with my hair. I'm going to ooh, yes. Yeah, oh, I like that. Springy. It's like springs. It's like little slinkies in the hair. Grade A slinky hair. I'm a fan of this. Okay. Oh, hang on. Let me go down here and grab. Sometimes before I put it on, I like to make sure my head look a little bit more cone-shaped and rounder and a little bit more like an alien. So I'm going to take this right here, alien hat. I'm going to rip this on out. Let me see. Ooh, yes. I love my alien hat. Let me take. Okay, hang on one second. Watch. I got to look at the mirror. It's over there. Let me just. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, there it go. It's on. Yes. Now I just jam all this mess back in there with my little baby braids. Now I'm going to go ahead. Yep. I just throw that hat on. I don't even care. It don't look right. I'm going to just throw it on. Now I just flip that hair on. Biggity bam. Big. Oh. Let me tuck the back. Oh, yes. Now I'm killing. Yes. Now I'm styling. And now I'm going. And now I'm fitting it. Oh, yes. Now I'm making it look good. Now, look at these little baby hairs that come with. Let me get these baby hairs right. Let me make this more springier. Yes, pull down the back. Pull down the back a little. You know, you got to have the back right now. Oh, yes, now I'm bossing. Now I'm a boss. And now I'm a boss. Oh, yes, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Now I'm a boss. Now I fluff it. Now I tease it. And now I play with it a little. Oh, yeah. Now pull that part aside. Yes. I'm a boss. Let's go. I love it, y'all.
All right, guys. I'm back. So this is the end result. I had a voiceover because it was so loud outside, and I'm like, I know I can hardly speak, guys. So your girl is back. But yeah, this is the end result. Now, I had to move the hair to the side a little bit because I didn't like the middle part as much. So I would suggest if if it doesn't look right in the front, you can move it to the side. I'm not really good at doing my edges. That's something I'm still learning. So I'm looking at YouTube videos for that, so I can learn how to do my edges with the hair, because this is my first time really doing like a lace front. Usually I wear half of wigs and stuff like that. So I think it's really cute, overall. Especially once I learn how to do the edges. I got to do the edges first. And also you can wear it with a headband, guys. Okay, guys, so now you see me wearing it with the headband. I got me a pink one as well that I'm going to try on with it. I love black, so that's why I put the black one first, just to make it look more natural. But, pink give it a little pop color, so I'm going to do the pink. Oh, I got these big earrings on. Hold on. Sorry, my mirror's over there, guys. And there you have it. I actually like the headband look. I mean, it gives you that cute younger feel, but I think it's really cute, and I love the curls, guys. And I got this one for only $26. It was on sale, and it's synthetic, but it's a natural curl, so you don't really got to do much to it, you know. Units like this last me for months, guys. I have a unit similar to this. Is the brown one that you see me wear a lot too. It's similar to this. It's not exactly the same, but I had that one for 6 months, guys. So the synthetic hair can last, especially when it's a curl, okay? And I think it's cute. I like it. You know, you can style your edges more. I got to do my edges more, but I do like it with the headband. I think the headband is really, really cute with it. So yeah, guys, comment down below if you like this hair. Is it a yay or nay for you? But I think it's cute. I mean, for $26, listen, you can look cute on a budget, all right? And that's why I got my series coming up, Baddie on a Budget, because, you know, listen, not everybody has the means, and who wants to keep spending so much money on stuff when you can get something for a cheaper price that look just as good on you, and you can rock it and look good, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I hope you guys stay tuned for my Baddie on a Budget series. Is coming up soon. So I'm going to be sharing, you know, some tips and, you know, shopping for less than $60 for a whole outfit, including hair. Well, no, I can't include hair, but you know, $60 I say for the whole, you know, outfit, and maybe an extra $20 for the hair. You know what I'm saying? So $80 for the whole thing, for your shoes, your outfit, your accessories, and, you know, get you a little $26 hair. You good to go. So hope you guys stay tuned for that. And if you like this wig, this unit, it's called the Freedom Part Lace Front. Okay, guys, I got mine on sale. I'm sure they sell it at any beauty supply store around you. I got the hookup too, because, you know, I go there all the time, so they give me discounts sometimes, but this one was on sale at the time for $26. Okay, guys, so yeah, I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up. I hope that you subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, and follow me on Instagram so we can connect. Ms_Geminii with 2 eyes. That's my main channel. I love posting cute pictures. So why not follow me on there and we can connect on there, all right? And my YouTube channel, if you just want updates on my YouTube, then it's Ms_Geminii with 2 eyes talks. All right, guys? All right. Stay tuned for another video.